My channel and welcome to Vlogmas 2018. We are on day 10 of our unboxing of the advent calendars. Let's get straight into it with the Airwick calendar. Yes! I am so excited to be doing this, and I'm just gonna say cheers to you all, ching ching ching, and I love you guys so much. Might have forgot to do that in the last video. Sugar, never mind. So we are on day number 10, if you can believe that, which I can't, but I know it's true, so, you know. Day number 10, I have found it, and what scent have we got today? Ooh, it's the red one, which is the mulled wine. I love it, it's beautiful, and oh my lord, what just happened then? I got a little bit aggressive then, didn't I? Let's move on to the advent calendar that I made myself. Number 10 is here. This one is starting to fall apart now. It's starting to get more difficult, but it's fine. Number 10. Oh, okay, I know what this is. It's another pair of earrings. These ones are quite different to the other ones. I'm really into hoops at the minute. I'm not sure why. I really do go in and out of my hoop phase, and at the moment we are in. So they are just some nice cute gold hoops, also from Primark, like the other pair. And yeah, I just got them because I like them and I thought it'd be nice to pop them in the little calendar. I'm going to move on to the sleek calendar. Oh, day number 10. Oh, I found it straight away, and this one looks like a slim one, like some kind of eyeliner maybe, or lip liner. Oh, ooh. Hang on a minute. Hang on a cotton picking minute. Is this a lip liner then? So this is Twist Up Lip Pencil in Shabby Chic. I don't have a lot of lip liners, and I really have been wanting to get more. So, oh, very soft. Yeah, I like that. It's in the shade Shabby Chic 994, and obviously it's like one of the twisty up ones. Ooh, yeah, I'm excited for that. I feel like I could definitely wear that, obviously. Yes, okay. Got you, sleek. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, soap and glory time. What will we have today? Day number 10. Oh, it's another sample. I can tell. I can tell by the shape and size of it. It's another sample, which is fine. The thing is, with these calendars, you need to understand that there's going to be some items that are not amazing, that are more like samples and testers, but that makes it possible for them to then put some really good items in as well. I'm totally on board with all of that. This is a Sugar Crush Fresh and Foamy Body Wash, and it is an 8ml, and it's literally just a sample, so you can try it out and see if you like it, and if you do, you can go and buy more. Okay guys, let's move on to the L calendar. L have did a calendar they have, and this is it. Oops. Let's just get this because we know this is a hard one to get them out. Day number 10. Oh, there it is. Okay. So difficult. I'm just like, just freaking open, man. The thing is, I don't want to damage anything either. That's like another issue. Well, not an issue, but just like I don't want to damage anything, and I don't know what's in there, and yeah. Oh, we gotta, yes, we did it. Me and you, we did it together. This is a, I'm not even going to try and read that, Moisture Hydro Lotion. You can't even see, it's too bright. It's too bright. But you'd rather it be like this than pitch black, wouldn't you? So, Moisture Hydro Lotion. Holy mother of, can anybody read that? That back right there? Anyone? Because I can't. Not that it's even in focus for you guys, I'm really, really sorry, but it looks like a micellar type water thing, so I'm actually not sure what this is. It's like a water, but it's just called a hydro lotion, so I'm imagining it's like a water remover, or like, I have no idea what that is. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. But do you know what, actually Elle did send a little booklet with everything on, so I can look through that, and if anyone is interested, leave me some questions down below and I will find out for you and I will reply. I always reply to comments eventually. So yeah, let's move on then to the glossy box one. Oh, where is number 10? Oh, here she is. Oh, this is exciting. Quite light, but I love the box. How pretty are these? They are so cute. I just love them. Love them. Ooh, what is this? I think this is a sampley one. Oh, it's a Bare Minerals. Bare Minerals what? Bare Minerals. Looks familiar actually. Skin longevity. It doesn't say what it is. So annoying when they don't say what they are. After cleansing, apply 2 pumps over entire face and neck. Use morning and night. So it's obviously some kind of like cream. There you go. Now you know exactly what it is, don't you? But yeah, there we go. That is what we got in day 10 of the glossy box calendar. Let's move on to Body Shop. Can't beat yesterday's. Definitely can't beat yesterday's. Oh, day number 10. So this is where it's going to start yet. Falling apart, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. What do we have here? We've got shampoo and conditioner. Which, you know what? It's really good that there's one of each. Fuji green tea. Now, is this what the scrub was? I think it is. Because I think we got a scrub which was like a green tea type thing. I do know that we also got a body lotion. Was it a body lotion? And it was green coffee or something, and I couldn't remember. You guys will probably remember better than me. But yeah, we've got a shampoo and a conditioner. Good sizes. You'll get a good few uses out of these, and yes. So far, I am more than happy with the Body Shop. I think that like the products that have come in this calendar are really good, and I'm very excited about it. Cheers! What are we saying about this one? Let me see. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, okay, so this is a More Cream Cleanser from, I'm not even going to try and say that. Hopefully you guys can see that, and you can like see or read or know what it is, and you guys will probably know more than me. It is sealed, but this is a cleanser, I guess. Actually, it didn't come in a box, so there's no information on this at all, but I can Google it. If you ever do get things like this and you don't know what they are or what to do with them, honestly just Google it. You will be able to find like usage and instructions and that kind of thing online somewhere, so definitely, there you go. Learned something new in today's video. That is all I wish for, and yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video, you guys. Mwah! Thank you for watching. I love you so, so much. Stay tuned for all the rest of the unboxings, plus loads more, and I will see you in the next video.